my name's Amanda. I'm a registered dietitian with Henry Ford Macomb Hospital. The fruit of the week this week are melons. Cantaloupe and honeydew are an excellent source of vitamin C. Watermelon is about 92% water. Your body needs water to function properly. Eating watermelon can help you meet your daily fluid needs. Melons do not ripen after harvest. Honeydew and cantaloupe will become softer and juicier, but they will not get sweeter after they've been picked. When choosing a honeydew or watermelon, choose those that are heavy for their size. Their sound should be hollow when tapped on the rind. When choosing a cantaloupe, choose one with a sweet, fragrant smell and a soft dent on the stem. Cantaloupe should also be heavy for their size. Today we're making a cantaloupe salsa.
To make cantaloupe salsa, you need 2 cups of chopped cantaloupe, 1 cup of chopped red bell pepper, 2/3 cup of green onion finely chopped, 1/4 cup of cilantro, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and about 3 teaspoons of olive oil or canola oil, and then salt or pepper to taste. To make the salsa, you're going to get a big bowl and add in your cantaloupe, the red peppers, the green onions, the cilantro, and then you'll drizzle on the olive oil, add your lime juice, and it's all done. This is really good to eat maybe with some whole grain tortilla chips or on top of fish or on chicken. Enjoy!
Thank you so much for listening to the Fruit of the Week. Looking forward to seeing you at the Dodge Park Farmers Market.